Well, are you coming?
All aboard!
The Polar Express train ride at the North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer, North Carolina, for a magical trip based on the hit film. The live entertainment on this incredible journey includes delicious hot chocolate, a reading of the classic children's book, and the first gift of Christmas from Santa. The bell still rings for those who truly believe. So get your golden tickets for select dates in November and December online by visiting nctransportationmuseum.org or call 704-636-2889 and create lasting memories with your family this holiday season.